The new week has begun with the silver price continuing its meteoric rise. A lot of exciting things are going to happen soon. An American silver eagle dealer claims to have run out of the metal and is predicting that silver may become unobtainium this month. What this implies is that the borrowing fee to short the most popular silver ETF just went boom, and I'll explain it. It might be massive. Now let's begin. The gold and silver you need can be purchased online at SD Bullion. Visit sdbullion.com/new to purchase gold or silver instantly. It means the world to me that you tuned in. It's much appreciated. The price of silver is currently skyrocketing. The current price is $48.79. Presently, it has gained a 68 cents, or 1.42%. Still, silver is about to hit a new record high, and it's only $1 away. An all-time high was indeed achieved by gold today. Today, it increased $72, or 1.87%, to 3,966 per ounce, bringing it close to $4,000 per ounce. Therefore, gold is outpacing silver in price movement. Things are becoming crazy. I will now state that the silver one-day chart shows some volatility. It hit 48.74 overnight before plunging to $48.19 upon the opening of U.S. markets this morning. However, it has come back strong ever since. I fear we are currently riding a roller coaster, but I also believe that the only way to go is up. The appearance of this post on X today caught me off guard. Monument Metals, an American metals dealer, sold out of silver monster boxes immediately. I assure you, this is not a mere exercise. This month, silver will reach unobtainium. There was an online trader in the United States that sold out of 2025 American Silver Eagles. While many other vendors do carry Silver Eagles, I would be stacking other things right now, but SD Bullion still has the 2025 Silver Eagles if you're interested. Also have a look at the cheap bulk price of 56.76 for Checkwire. About 6 years ago, I can still vividly recall going door to door and purchasing Silver Eagles for $17 each. Oh my. However, I would likely look into bargains if I needed silver today, and SD Bullion does offer a deal on trash silver. It is practically available at the place. Accordingly, what's the point of paying a premium? Yesterday, this article was published. Pakistan is now fixated on silver as an investment. Let me explain. They also claim that 1 kilogram of silver is now being sold in blocks, in addition to the standard 10 tola bar. A 10 tola bar is approximately 3.75 troy ounces, in case you were wondering. Even though it's an old method of weighing silver, Pakistanis are buying it up right now. The article begins by stating that silver has become the new choice of investors due to a doubling of both its price and consumption over the past 3 months. Traders have even reported that the illegal market is selling silver, with a flurry of purchasers scrambling to secure the metal in the face of sharply increasing prices. But the most crucial question they address, is it smart to invest in silver, is right at the end. Despite the recent strong price increases, experts and goldsmiths warn that silver is still best invested for the long term, when market conditions are stable. The use of silver in electronics and other manufactured goods is on the rise, though, as one trader put it, it's not a get-rich-quick investment. Rather, it pays well for those who can hang on to it for the long haul. Additionally, I believe that many newcomers are purchasing silver at the moment because they are naively believing that they can enter the market, profit handsomely, and then exit. When dealing with silver, that is not how it usually works. You should keep it for an extremely lengthy time. Therefore, I believe that a long-term mindset is absolutely necessary for purchasing precious metals. Consider this graph showing the percent increase in the value of gold and silver from January 1970 to the present. Gold, an increase of about 11,000%. I realize these figures are a bit out of date because this chart was put together last week, but still. The vast majority of this, however, occurred during silver's 2,400% rise in the past 5 years. Because of this, I believe it is important to remember that it is okay to purchase something while its price is going up the next time you see it. This is a long-term bet, therefore it's fine to cash out if possible. Also, see how far silver still needs to travel to be competitive with gold. Wow, just to keep up with gold's percentage gain during the past 55 years, silver's price would have to double. For all intents and purposes, silver appears to be escaping its shackles. This article from the Scottsdale Mint states that silver prices have entered a new reality, and the question now is whether they will go above $200. They predict that silver will rise above 52 cents, which would be a new record high, and that gold will reach $4,000 per ounce soon. At this point in time, gold is already extremely near to that price. Why did this borrowing fee suddenly skyrocket to a short position in SLV? Can you explain that? Silver ETF Alert is the headline of Bob Coleman's piece from today on X. An unseen cost awaits authorized participants and dealers who wish to redeem silver in an increasing market by drawing down their SLV shares. The cost of obtaining money to short SLV stock has recently skyrocketed, nearly 3 times as much as last week. Not only that, but there are fewer than 10,000 shares that can be shorted. The options markets are likely to experience more volatility. All the evidence he needs to back up his claims is right here. The increase in the SLV borrowing fee is seen below. An increase to over 7% is possible. What does this mean? It's rather wild, isn't it? Will this cause silver prices to rise or fall? So I consulted Grok, and they informed me that it will lead to less pressure on short sellers. This is great news for precious metals investors since it will effectively remove price-cutting pressure. It has the ability to trigger a possible brief squeeze. Lastly, it may cause prices to rise by 5 to 8% the week after. So silver might be about to do more than just set a new record. It could explode higher from there. I asked everyone on my YouTube channel last night, will silver reach a new record high this week? The outcomes are evident from the data. 81% of you are in agreement that silver will set a new record soon. As far as I'm concerned, that is totally doable. Right now, we're literally only $1 short. Take a look at the comment that ranks highest. Hopefully not. I wish to continue subscribing. For people like me who are looking to increase our silver holdings, it's definitely a double-edged sword. While it's fantastic that prices are rising, it's sad that adding additional silver to your stack will also increase their cost. Honestly, I have no idea what the future holds for silver. However, when I examine the silver price year-to-date chart and notice that it has increased by $20 this year, I am perplexed as to what could possibly halt its upward trajectory. What may possibly impede its progress is a mystery to me. Therefore, I anticipate that in the coming days we will likely reach a new record high. I am aware that there will be some opposition. I expect turbulence, but I believe silver can weather it. Yet the outcome is still up in the air. If silver does indeed reach a new record high, I will definitely update the video accordingly. Oh, and I am just plain interested. In your opinion, what's the next step? Please share your thoughts in the space provided. Much obliged for your time, and I'll see you in the future video.